Have you ever been in a meeting, lecture, or brainstorming session where you just struggled to keep up with taking notes while actually staying engaged sa conversation? Kung oo ang sagot mo ngayon, let me introduce you to Notta AI, an AI-powered transcription tool. It's here to simplify your life. Imaginein mo na lang, hindi mo na kailangan mag-alala na may mamimiss kang important details because Notta AI listens for you, transcribing everything in real time. Hindi lang yan suportado nito ang 100 plus languages, integrates with your favorite platforms like Zoom and Google Meet, and even generates summaries of your conversations. Kaya sa video na to, i-cover ko lahat ng ino-offer ng Notta AI. Mga features nito, mga pros and cons, at kung paano nito mapapadali ang araw mo sa trabaho. Bibigyan ko rin kayo ng full walkthrough kung anong itsura nito sa loob. So if you're ready to save time and never miss a word again, stick around. Let's get into it. So first off, ano ba ang Notta AI? Ang Notta AI ay isang advanced na transcription tool na nagko-convert ng speech into text in real time. Kung nagre-record ka ng meeting, interview, o kahit podcast, Notta AI ensures you have a complete and accurate transcription of your conversations. What sets Notta AI apart ay ang versatility nito. It's not just for English speakers. It supports over 100 languages, making it perfect for teams and businesses operating on a global scale. Plus, tulad ng sinabi ko, it integrates with platforms like Zoom, Microsoft Teams, and Google Meet, so automatic nitong tinatranscribe ang online meetings without extra hassle. Para sa mga professional na sawa na mag-juggle ng note-taking and active participation, Notta AI offers a solution that lets you focus on a conversation while it handles the rest. Ngayon, tignan naman natin ang ilang mga key features nito. Una sa lahat, real-time transcription. Notta AI captures every word spoken in real time. Kino-convert nito into text as a conversation unfolds. Perfect ito for meetings, interviews, or classes where every second counts. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-scribble ng notes and hoping you don't miss something important. With real-time transcription, makakapag-engage ka na fully. Multilingual support. Kung may ka-team ka o client galing sa iba't ibang bansa, covered ka ng Notta AI dahil kaya nitong mag-transcribe sa mahigit na 100 languages. Perfect to kung nasa conference ka na may international speakers o nakikipag-collab sa global partners. Kahit anong language pa yan, siguradong accurate ang transcription mo. Seamless integration with platforms. Diretso nang gumagana ang Notta AI sa Zoom, Google Meet, Microsoft Teams, and WebEx. Ibig sabihin, automatic na itatranscribe ang meetings mo nang walang dagdag na steps o kailangan pang ibang software. Sobrang convenient lalo na kung marami ka meetings sa isang araw. AI-generated summaries after your meetings or recordings. Notta AI doesn't just hand you a wall of text. It goes a step up further by summarizing key points and action items. Ang summaries na to ang magsisave sa'yo ng effort of sifting through long transcripts para lang makita what matters the most, helping you stay productive and focused. Speaker identification. Para sa mga meetings na may maraming participants, kayang i-detect ng Notta AI kung sino ang nagsasalita at ilagay ang tamang text sa tamang tao. Super helpful to para sa group discussions and interviews, making it easy to follow who said what. Transcript editing tools. Kapag tapos na ang transcript mo, Notta AI provides easy-to-use tools for editing and refining the text. You can correct any inaccuracies, add notes, or format the document to suit your needs. Cross-platform accessibility. Available ang Notta AI sa iba't ibang platforms, desktop, mobile, at browser-based apps. This flexibility allows you to access your transcripts anywhere, anytime. Tignan naman natin kung magkano ang pricing, tapos diretsong demo na tayo sa site. Kaya kung gusto mong subukan ng Notta AI, gamitin ang exclusive link namin sa description para makuha mo ang best deal. Ngayon, para makita mo ang iba't ibang pricing options, i-click mo lang ang pricing after you've clicked on our link. You can see they have a couple of different options. Una sa lahat, may libre silang plan para sa mga nagsisimula pa lang sa Notta AI. With this, you get 120 transcript minutes a month, up to 3 minutes per conversation, 50 file uploads a month, and 10 AI summaries a month. Sunod naman ang Pro plan, and this is for professionals who want more minutes and features. Kung mababayad ka annually, you can save 40%, kaya magiging $9 per month ito. Pero kung mas gusto mo magbayad monthly, it's $14.99. Sa Pro plan, makakakuha ka ng isang seat, 1,800 transcript minutes a month, hanggang 90 minutes per conversation, 100 file uploads a month, at 30 AI summaries a month. Kasama na lahat ng nasa free plan plus export transcripts, transcript translation, and custom vocabulary. Susunod ang business plan. Perfect sa mga teams na kailangan ng collaboration at admin features. Kung magbabayad ka annually, magiging $16.67 per month ito. Pero kung gusto mo naman magbayad monthly, it's $27.99. Syempre, depende rin ang presyo sa dami ng seats na kailangan mo, kaya siguraduhin i-check mo yan bago ka mag-subscribe. Sa business plan, makakakuha ka ng unlimited transcripts, up to 5 hours per conversation, 200 file uploads kada buwan, at 50 AI summaries a month. You get everything in the Pro plan, plus record web meeting video, advanced data security controls, usage reports, CRM, and Zapier integration. Lastly, meron silang custom plan na nagsisimula sa 51 seats, perfect para sa mga organizations na kailangan ng advanced security controls at support. You do have to contact sales for this plan though, kaya yung pricing hindi listed dito. Sa custom plan, makakakuha ka ng customized transcripts, up to 5 hours per per conversation, unlimited file uploads, at unlimited AI summaries. Kasama na lahat ng features sa business plan, plus sample SSO, no data used for AI training, audit logs, flexible payments, at priority support. Kaya kung gusto mo magsimula gamit ang free plan, i-click mo lang ang Get Started. From here, you can sign up with Google, Microsoft, Apple, or just sign up with any email address. Then once you enter your email address, you will have to get a verification code and then you'll be logged in. Ngayon silipin natin kung anong itsura ng site kapag naka-login ka na. Ganito ang interface at ito ang Pro Plan. Sobrang dali at intuitive nitong gamitin. Kung gusto mo mag-instant record, i-click mo lang dito tapos continue. Piliin ang language and you can also do a bilingual transcript. Then you click here and you'll record and transcribe. Diba? Super simple. Sunod, pwede ka mag-upload at mag-transcribe. Pwede mong i-paste ang URL o i-drag and drop mula sa browser mo. Pwede ka rin mag-record ng online meeting. Para dito, kailangan mo lang i-connect ang calendar mo o ilagay ang meeting link, invite dito mismo. May advanced options din tulad ng naming your bot, showing recording notification posters, real-time translation, and recording videos for online meetings. Lastly, pwede kang mag-record ng screen. Pero hindi ito gagana sa Safari, kaya siguraduhin gumamit ng ibang browser ha. Lahat ng recordings mo makikita mo rito. You can also start some, view the ones created by you, as well as those shared with you. Tignan natin kung ano itsura ng isang example. Dito makikita mo ang summary chapters at action items. Sobrang cool at helpful, diba? You can play the video right here and the full transcript will be generated here. You can also comment, look at the conversation insights, and go ahead and share. Para sa conversation insights, kailangan mo ng business plan, but it'll show you information like talk ratio, monologues, etc. So lots of cool information there. As you can see, Notta AI is very simple but very powerful. At dito mo ulit makikita lahat ng recordings mo. Kung makakakonekta ka sa calendar mo, makikita mo rin ang may upcoming meetings at mga na-star mong items. So again, super simple, super intuitive, and incredibly beneficial. Kaya kung ready ka na subukan ng Notta AI, huwag kalimutang gamitin ang exclusive link namin sa description para makakuha ng best price possible. Okay, tignan natin ang pros and cons. Sige, unahin natin ang pros. High accuracy in transcripts. Napaka-accurate ng Notta AI kahit sa mga usapang may technical terms o maraming speakers. Dahil dito, maaasahan ito ng mga professionals sa iba't ibang industry mula sa business meetings hanggang interviews and lectures. User-friendly interface. Madaling gamitin at intuitive ang platform. Hindi mo kailangan maging tech-savvy para makapagsimula. Mula sa pag-setup ng integration hanggang sa pag-edit ng transcripts, lahat ay designed para maging simple at accessible. Time-saving features. Mula sa real-time transcription hanggang sa AI-generated summaries, maraming tools ang Notta AI na nakakatipid ng time. Hindi mo kailangan mag-manual note-taking at mas mabilis ang pag-ayos ng meeting records pagkatapos. As mentioned, the multilingual support is such a huge pro for global companies. Now, some of the cons. Limitations in the free plan. While the free plan is a great way to try Notta AI, ang 120-minute monthly limit may not be sufficient for users na may heavy transcription needs. Occasional errors in punctuation. Kahit mataas ang accuracy ng Notta AI, may mga pagkakataong may maliit na issues sa punctuations at sentence structure, lalo na sa mga komplikadong usapan. Pero madali naman itong i-edit gamit ang built-in editing tools. Dependence on internet connection. Dahil cloud-based ang Notta AI, kailangan ng stable internet connection para gumana ito ng maayos. Now, who is Notta AI for? Ang Notta AI ay perfect para sa professionals, students, at teams na gustong gawin mas efficient ng kanilang workflow. Whether you're conducting interviews, attending meetings, or taking notes during lectures, Notta AI saves time and ensures nothing gets lost in translation. Ang daming tools na nangangakong papadaliin ang buhay mo, pero Notta AI talaga ang standout pagdating sa transcription. Sa real-time transcription, multilingual support, at seamless integration sa mga popular na platforms. Notta AI lets you focus on what matters, being present and in the moment. Habang ito na ang bahala sa note-taking, it's a simple, reliable way to save time and stay on top of everything. Kung gusto mo tong subukan, i-check out mo muna ang free plan at tignan kung paano ito makakatulong sa workflow mo. If you need more advanced features, you can go ahead and upgrade by using our link to get the best price possible. This channel is dedicated to helping you work smarter at hindi harder by introducing tools and resources that make your entrepreneurial journey easier. Kung nakatulong sa yung video na to, huwag kalimutang mag-like at mag-subscribe sa channel. Mag-iwan din ng tanong o comment sa baba. Maraming salamat sa panonood at kita-kits sa next video.